Hey, so this is what I do. So I created a bunch of question banks in Sandbox, and then I needed to get those question banks into my courses so that I could make a quiz. And the same thing works for discussions and modules and all that kind of stuff. So whatever class it is that you want to pull your discussions from, or the quiz banks, whatever it is that you're doing, go into that class. So I'm in my Period 2 class. Go down to Settings, and you're going to export your course content. So go ahead and export the course. You want to export the entire course. And again, I do this for my quiz banks so that I can pull 5 questions from the 10 that I created or whatever. But it works for modules and discussions and all of that other stuff. So you just have to wait a minute for it to get done. Okay, so when it's finished, this is kind of an important piece. You need to actually click where it says New Export because it's going to download it. Now, Ellie and I are sharing question banks with each other. So now that I have this downloaded, I can email this to her and she can do the next step and import it into her because we're collaborating on our final exam. So she's going to do the next step after I email this file to her that's down here at the bottom. Okay, so go to the course that you want to add this into. I'm going to add it into my Sandbox, if I can find my Sandbox. And then go down to Settings, and you're going to import course content. And I have no idea what this means, but you want to do a Canvas course export package, whatever all of that means. Choose your file. And so here's my Algebra 2 export that I just did. This is the one I was just testing with a second ago. And then you want to do specific content. You go ahead and hit import. And it's going to work. And then when it's done and it pops up down here, it should say select content as soon as it's finished. You just have to wait a second. Okay. So when you go to select content, and this is what I was saying, so Ellie would go in and click on question banks, right? And then she would pull whatever the question banks are that are there and only take what she wants to take. But discussion topics are here. You can pull modules in. You can pull whatever it is that you want. So I'm just going to pull in, I don't know, this module. Hit select. It's queued. It's working. And I think I did Halloween week. Oh, good. It's finally running. Sorry. But there it is. It's completed. I'm not sure why there's an issue, but it's completed. So see if that works. Try that. Oh, here, I had to click on it to see what the issue was, but it looks like there's just a missing link, probably because I had something linked to that assignment, like a, I don't know, Google slide or something. But anyway, try that. See if that works. See if that potentially helps get those discussions or question banks or whatever that you need to do pulled in.